The Eddington experiment, also known as the Eddington-Dyson experiment, has not been repeated since 1973. This experiment was designed to measure the deflection of the sun's light as predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. The last professional attempt to replicate the experiment was made by Dyson, but unfortunately, his view was obstructed by clouds. The Eddington experiment holds significant historical importance as it provided one of the earliest experimental confirmations of Einstein's theory of general relativity. The experiment was conducted during a solar eclipse in 1919, during which the apparent position of stars near the sun was observed to be shifted due to the sun's gravitational field. One possible reason for the lack of attempts to replicate the Eddington experiment in recent years is the advancement in technology. Eclipses are no longer necessary for measuring the deflection of the sun's light. Modern telescopes and observational techniques have the capability to accurately measure the deflection without the need for a solar eclipse. Furthermore, the logistical challenges of conducting the experiment during a solar eclipse, such as the need for precise timing and weather conditions, may have contributed to the lack of replication attempts. Scientists and researchers may have opted to focus on other experimental methods that provide comparable results without the constraints associated with eclipses. It is important to note that while the Eddington experiment has not been repeated in its original form, the principles and concepts it tested continue to be validated through various other experiments and observational data. The broader understanding of gravitational lensing and the bending of light around massive objects has been supported by numerous astrophysical observations and measurements.